There we are. Jamming at the top of our overlook. So what you see is Presque Isle in the background, or Little Presque Isle.
Yeah.
Yep. This is a nice short hike. I bet you it's not even 1,000 feet. It's not even 2/10 of a mile, which would be 1160.
Good pizza run.
Good pizza run, or Burger King run, or McDonald's run.
Oh yeah, McDonald's run.
Yep.
McDonald's run.
No Grimace Shake today. They were out everywhere.
Everywhere. What a nice way to spend the afternoon.
Yep.
It's kind of hazy.
2 ticks on me. A little bit hazy in the background. The last 2 days, though, the haze has been more of a fog due to the 60-degree temperatures. MJ and I went to the Iron Industry Museum that's on the border of Negaunee and Marquette, so it's up the hill. It was 80 degrees there. We drove home afterwards. It was 64 degrees at the house. 16-degree difference. And it was actually kind of chilly around the house with a little breeze blowing.
Yep, coming in off of the lake.
But it was foggy most of the day, and it wasn't the smoke from the fires. But I think today this is a little bit of haze from the fires. I smelled a little bit of smoke earlier. The drone flew through it, no problem. Went all the way to Hogback Mountain. It's 6,000 feet that way. So a mile and a couple hundred feet. And then Sugarloaf, that's about a mile that way.
We can see the platform from here.
Yep.
Should have brought my sunglasses.
Oh yeah. We'll give you a panorama.
And my chair, apparently. What I was thinking.
Let's see if we can panorama to Sugarloaf Mountain. And further around through the haze to Hogback Mountain.
Every time I look at your camera, I think, oh my God, you have your lens cap on.
And then back to my goddess and Little Presque Isle. There are stand-up paddle boarders and fishing boats behind us, and nets, butterflies. There goes one there. Monarch.
Yeah, I saw my first monarch the other day.
Got blueberries.
Yep. Got a handful of blueberries.
They're early. So up here, I think that one gets sun all the way.
Probably the warmth of the rock, so.
Yeah. The ones around the house are white and red. They are not blueberries yet. Close. Another week, maybe? 10 days? We should be getting lots of blueberries. It's been my goal for a couple of years to pick enough blueberries for a blueberry pie.
There's enough out there.
There are. I just got to go pick them.
So, you know.
We've made blueberry monster blueberry pancakes that were just jam-packed.
Yeah. We got that blueberry rake that we never use.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it ends up taking more time picking all the garbage out of it than just to pick them nicely. Mm-hmm. It's one or the other. Whichever you hate doing. You either sit in the house and sort blueberry from leaf, or you sit in the patch and pick and choose which ones you're grabbing.
All right. Well, that's a good test of our DJI mics again. The last time we tried using these to you and me was at Ebon Ice Caves.
Really?
So we can compare. Because even at Ebon Ice Caves, when I got back to upload the video, I had to crank the sound levels way up, and then you hear the background noise just as loud. It wasn't as nice, but now you'll see what it's like with just the microphones. I got it set up.
You changed the way the setup was.
Yeah, it's good now.